Good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas number 141.
Yay, 141. Today we got kind of a fun problem. I'm not sure you've ever seen a problem like this before, so it should be good. Suppose that A, B, C, and D represent different digits from 1 to 9. Okay, so these numbers, A, B, C, D, could be 1, 2, 3, and 4, or they might be 2, 9, 8, 3, but you have to pick from 1 to 9, and they have to be different. Okay, you understand that?
Yeah.
What is the largest possible value for the sum AB plus CD? Well, and what I mean by this is AB is a number like 24, or CD is a number like 61, something like that. So you make a number with your digits and another number with your digits, and you're going to add them together, and you're trying to make the sum as large as possible. Okay? All right. Does this make sense, or do you want a little help?
I think this makes sense.
Okay. Well, how are you going to approach it then? That's great.
Well, you could write out some numbers.
Well, why don't you write out two numbers and see what you get?
The largest possible numbers you could pick are 9 and 8.
Yeah, that's true.
So 9 and 8 would be good.
Yeah, well, you have to make two-digit numbers, though. So what are you going to do to make two-digit numbers?
Two-digit numbers.
Yeah.
You have to add some numbers together.
Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right that you want to make the numbers big. So what's a really big two-digit number you could make?
You could... A really big one? Like,
With,
I don't know, like 71.
okay, you could make 71. And that could be A, B. What could be C, D?
71. Then could come 90.
Now, well, we don't have a 0, so we have to make our digits all have to be between 1 and 9. We've already used 7 and 1.
How about 9 and 2?
92, okay. So if AB was 71 and CD was 92, this adds up to 163. Okay, because 70 plus 90 is 160 and 1 plus 2 is 3. Now the question is, can we make anything bigger than this?
Well, we could make 95.
We could make 95. Ooh, that would be interesting. 95 would add up to 166. 71 plus 95 would be 166. So that's good. Sorry, I made that 6 kind of funny because I was thinking about the number 5. 166. Can we make even bigger numbers?
Or we could make 98.
Oh, we could make 98. Why don't we start with 98? If we started with 98 being A and B, that's a really big number. And what could we make for C and D?
And then we could make for C and D be...
We want it to be as big as it can possibly be.
So how about 87?
Well, we already used the 8, remember.
Oh, so 77?
70.
7.
Remember, all the digits have to be different.
71.
So, but you can do bigger than 71.
How about 77?
Well, you already used a 7, though.
Oh, so 76.
Yes, high five. 76. All right, 98 plus 76. That's interesting. That's 160 plus 14. That's 174. Okay, now the question is, can we make a number that's even bigger than that? I don't know if we can. But what if I did, instead of 98 and 76, what if I did 90-something plus 80-something? So I picked, what's the largest number I can pick now for 90-something?
You can pick 97.
97 and 80.
And 88.
Well, I already used an 8, though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
So 86?
86. What about 97 and 86? Well, that's 170 plus 13, which is, what is 170 plus 13? You know that.
So that's 173.
170 plus 13.
So it's 184.
183. Very good. That's 183. Okay. So we started with two. The biggest way we could start was with 90 and with 80. And then we did the 7 and 6. So we did have to compare these two. This way was make the biggest number you could make and then make the next biggest number you can make, and that added up to 174. This way was start with the two biggest ways you could start, 90 and 80, and then make the biggest numbers you could, 97 and 86. And this was actually 183. So that is the biggest number you can make. How about that for tricky?
Wow.
Is that awesome?
Yeah.
So that's the biggest sum you can make just using those digits 1 through 9 and 2-digit numbers. Okay, good job. High five. That was a fun problem. Did you think that was fun? All right, good job.